Oh yeah. I think my friend Austin gave me this thing. Still got it. It's pretty much my only one now. I gave my other one away, I think. What are we missing here? That's out. That's out. This is out. Nope. Oh no! All right, so now there's this. Now there is a wire, and you gotta be able to just push on it and pull it to get that locking mechanism wire out. Show you better, but I'm thinking I could do this. Come on! Holy heck! Right there it is. The hardest part right here. Lock. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this back here somehow. That's one side down. I forgot I need to actually put the window up for this. One of those little RC cars. All right, there we go. Close them up. Back window's open because after this, I won't be able to get back in the truck. All right, so going underneath here is glory days. Because I probably will. Where did I put it? Gosh dang it, where is it? We got it. Now I'm gonna get this off right now. Hey! Oh, no. I forgot. See these right here? You gotta get one. Oh, no, it wasn't. There's a bolt underneath here. No, there it is. Oh, yeah, it cannot rain on me. If it rains on me, man, I'm going to scream. I'm gonna fight the rain. If it rains, I'm punching rain in the face for sure. Come on now. Oh, there's that. Got one door handle down. There, you can see. Kind of cool, right? For the most part, this side is done. We're gonna get to the other side. I'm gonna set the tripod and then we can. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit better. Oh, what's going on? You gotta be kidding me, man. Seriously, man? Dang. Alright, I guess we really are out here then. Last side. I'm forgetting here. Oh yeah. Can't forget the box. Alright, come on. Break it. Oh yeah. Power path footbed design. Did you? No! I'll have to walk through the jungle again. Kept talking about glory days. Alright, I set a reminder to make sure I get to the one piece. Now if you look, I padded this piece in here because it would always rattle. I remember like 3 or 4 years ago. This helps a lot. I wish I got to get some paper in there, but yeah, got that taken care of, squared away. Can't drop anything here. We were literally in the vines. Grabbed onto my foot. We got that. Kept talking about. Wow, I really tightened this side up. Keep using the socket like that. I'm sorry about that. It probably. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. It's totaling it out right now. Okay, so get out of here with that. All he kept talking about. So, dude, hey, called me Usage back in the day. Because look where I am now. Hello? Yes? Oh, hey, yes. Yeah. Oh, insurance. Yeah, I was just wondering about the premium rate. I was trying to get $1.59 off my order. Pizza? What? No, my parking pass. Thank you. All right, so we're getting pretty loose here. People are here because it's so simple. Could you imagine if they just started putting all 4 window buttons on this side as well? Kind of wouldn't like that at all. I like having the driver's side control. Ow! Using fingernails for this. I want to get these in a black tool. Do you recommend Snap-on or Milwaukee tools? Risking it for the biscuit. Biscuit, where are you? Yes, we successfully got it off. Okay. Oh, now we got to deal with this BS. That off. Threaded door handle once again. Some surgical pride for doing some brain surgery right now. Okay. Your door, that's your door. Boy, a little air guitar with this thing. All right, so I just put that back. Oh wait, a tab back here, something. Where you at? It hurts you. Ow. I don't know if I got the right tab here. That was it. Where is this? Why? Oh my gosh. There we go. Holy cow. Assembly lines. Oh. You didn't see nothing yet. What's it to you? Passenger side, door handle. Oh man, reminds me of my old harmonica collection. Get her done. All right, so we got this side. Try to clean all of that off. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Let's move to the back. All right, so this should be a lot easier. I'm gonna unlock it. Pocket those keys, don't want to forget that. See what kind of deal we're dealing with here. Not a 10mm. Oh no! Freshly painted these, so I'm gonna ruin the paint seal. Oh man, I'll explain to you guys what's going on here in a little bit. That up. Oh, come on, trucky. Gonna be okay. I promise. I don't know if you can even see what I'm doing right now. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. All right. Yeah. My voice just echoes back here. All right, so we got 3 bolts. 5 with every breath. Is there a bolt back here or something? Should be able to to get that out. There's that. Ain't looking too bad. Two little levers up. So to open this, you get pull on each side. Wipe those suckers off right there like so. Not getting the grease. Don't worry, I'm not taking the grease. Oh, look, I look like that Josh Turner album. Yeah. All right, so yeah, we're out here in the woods. We just finished up here. Why does it look so dark right now? So yeah, we're out in the woods, and check this out. I got this part, and it's genuine GM. That's a first right there. It's because I'm missing one of these caps. I'm always missing one, and I think it was just always missing, and it was covered by the bed liner, so I never noticed it. So yeah, I've just never had one. So I finally got one from GM Parts. $6 to $8 for that one little piece of plastic. That's all it is. Probably cost them about 10 cents to make or less. I'm gonna put it on later. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the other ones off. I tried, and I think they just break whenever you get them off. If I bought all new ones from them, I'd end up spending like $60 all of them. So I figure, it's just not worth it. Might as well keep them all. What I'm gonna do now is pick up my bike, and also we got to wash the truck because it's really muddy. I didn't expect to get that muddy, but that place was so muddy, the original first place. That looks weird. But yeah, and you know how I always stick to filling out a quarter tank? This time I forgot, and well, I went under a quarter a little bit because I wanted to get out here with enough time and everything. We finished with time to spare, so that's good because we still have a need to get some more stuff done. So I'm gonna hop in the truck. Let's get going now. I gotta get some fuel as well. Let's go. Look at this crap. Oh. Let's go. Yeah, no bueno on that one, por favor. So yeah, I also, I didn't put the window thing in, so I can't open my windows, and my back window is pretty much covered, so great. All right, so maybe I didn't think this one through. I got the back windows open, the front windows closed. If I hop on the highway or anything, if I hop on the highway or anything, I will, yeah, it will make that air noise, and I don't even know what causes that, but it just hurts your ears when the back windows are open. You know what I'm talking about. Yep, with the door like that, you can sure hear the road. Oh, that was a rock. Dang it, no! Ah! Yeah, we need fuel pronto. Well, driving up this mountain is going to be the rest of my gas tank, that's for sure. Gotta be kidding me, man. Someone dumped the TV. Dang it. We'll take her. Going down the only road I've ever known. Guess I'll get rid of this stuff. Somebody with 5 to 8 animal cages in the back and just took a roll like that of napkins out of the gas station. Living out of the truck. That's how you do it, Chevrolet. Guys, pulling in. I just dropped off the television at a recycle center, my local one. And yeah, they said it was cool. I'm helping out the land, cleaning things up. Also trimmed my mustache. That's about it. I probably ate last 5 o'clock yesterday. So yeah, let's get this washed. Gotta pick up the bike, and then we're dropping off the truck. Let's go. Oh, look at this. Okay, so it's a whole process here. Gotta pull this thing and open the door. Feed the wire through there. Make sure to remember to do that. And I'm gonna avoid the door holes, of course. I'm gonna keep that open for sure. All right, let's get on. Get on the road here. All right, got that. Starving right now. Change man now. Gonna just upgrade to a 2020 truck, lifting truck, and never take it off-roading ever because that's how they roll. I'm just joking around, but yeah, figured out finally cut the hair off after all these years. All right, anyways, yeah, so we're picking up the bike right now, and we're gonna be there in a little bit. I got so much stuff done to it, man. Oh man, it's just a bike build today. Truck build, bike build, everything's getting taken care of. We're Raptor grilling a Super Duty. Wow. There. Let's roll. Jumping jack flash. Yeah. It's not just the bike that we, oh, sorry about that. Not just the bike that we got taken care of. Bike pump build. So I've guys more of it, but we're running out of time. But yeah, bike build and bike pump build and also truck build all in one video. So we're about to, yeah. Let's go drop this truck off. We have under 30 minutes to get there, and LA traffic around here. Going. Out of time. Yeah, getting you the best of both worlds, from the middle of nowhere to the coal plant. Let's be there, man. Yeah, I think we're gonna be on time here. I think. Yeah, 15 minutes before they close. Better than nothing, I guess. GPS, where are you taking me, man? So we just left the shop and we got the bike right here. What we did is new brake, fully cleaned up, new tires, new bike chain. These are the original tire tread, the tire design. I don't know what the word is. Tire type model that comes with the bike. You can see it even says it on the side of the tire, matches the brand. Better tires on there for off-road because it kept falling off on the trail. But yeah, better tires, better brake. We got the new bike chain. Everything's cleaned up. Brakes work 100% again because I was rolling on one brake, on 25% of one brake for the longest time. Yeah, ready to roll. It's gonna be the way home out of the big city. So unfortunately, my Subway that I like to go to is closed down because all businesses, hey, get out of here, hey! Yeah, so we're gonna continue on and try to search for food. Man, those airplanes piss me off. This guy just copied my haircut. Looks the same to me. So here's the new bike builds, new tires, which are, wow. Yeah, these are the original treads that came on. The other one, which was too flat, I took that jump of the old gorge and fell off. Remember at that state park? Yeah. Yeah, so new brake, new bike chain, and they cleaned it up around the, you know, the wheels and everything. They trued the rims better than ever. 458 Italia, my Porsche. Hey guys, guess who I am? Porsche.
Hopefully Logan doesn't see videos. Probably cost you about $3,000.
No, but it, you know, they gave me a discount for, but yeah, the Subway and closed, by the way.
Doesn't affect me in any way, shape, or form.
That was the best one. Alright, man, you ready to hit up the mountain?
We're not going anywhere, man.
Come on, it's pretty warm out tonight.
The only place I'm going tonight is bed.
Come on. Alright, well, what do you have in?
I'm gonna make myself a sandwich.
What's gonna be on that sandwich is
nothing. I'm just eating a sandwich.
So yeah.
We're gonna learn how to meditate today, so don't take off your shirt, get on to the ground. Play some nice music, you can all meditate to the music. Yeah, so now we're going to start meditating from the standing position. You just want to close your eyes, clear your mind, try to let your body out enough. You want to try and kind of shift your way into the most stable position. Meditation, where you're just there, so a yoga pose, crossed over, extremely uncomfortable. Laying down, clear your mind of all the negative, and you're just going to want to think of only the positive. Don't think about anything bad. In the now, bro. Oh. So I learned this from yoga. It resembles knowledge and expansion. This one, you can do that. Cross fingers, relax it.
What were you saying?
The old granite tabletop in the back of my car.
Yeah, just passing it down the mic, because you know I don't have any shoulder right now, so I figured he's the
next in line to inherit it. And a sink too, wow.
Yep, just for you in your car.
Wow, I have a bar in my car.
Alright, so it's going to be Logan or I, the front man, or the drum. Gets whatever are you good at drums?
I've never played drums.
So you're going to be on drums, I'll be front man, Mike on guitar, and Will on bass. And we'll cover a song or something.
Sounds good to me, bro.
Really?
Sure.
Alright, bikes, hikes, beer rods, because we're going to need to get it for tomorrow anay, so you will
might as well get a head start.
So the one that put ice in his armpit the one night.
Yep. You can
on the highway right now, and yeah, about to drop off, driving through LA traffic and about to drop off my trailer. Yep, I'm selling my trailer, guys. Sorry about that. I'm selling my only one, and I mean, I really used it for my drag cars and all that setup.
So, if you really want to know who the pussy is, his name is Mike Set.
This guy's place that he went to for a haircut. No, it was called Higher Beauty for the women, but Mike wanted to try it out anyway because he figured there was like a barber side job going on. So yeah, Mike just got a new car. Mike just got a new car. Mike just got a new car, everybody. All right, what?
So you detail your car even if you'll fart in it, and then you'll be like, well, I gotta deep clean the seats now. Probably say that if you sneeze in it too, you're like, oh, look, I gotta clean off the dashboard.
Yeah, says the one that switches cars every 5 minutes.
I don't.
You, so whenever you were, okay, so when we were at the Senders game and you made that weird face and I was telling you about the brake work and everything, you were literally doing, and it was just, it was so funny. I black and whited it, and then in the corner of the screen in Western font, I put eight
fucking,
oh, definitely, yeah, well, I did that. Corner of the screen it says 1889 and I black and white the screen for you, so.
You're a jackass.
Yeah, dude, that was Chase's old house, remember?
Why do they have a huge cock in their front yard?
Woke up very early today, didn't eat anything at all, worked in the vehicle in the woods. bum cluck middle of nowhere. Came all the way back, donated a TV I found back in the woods. Had to wash the truck because I got it so muddy because the original mud spot that I went to, some GMC guy showed up, so I dashed out of there quicker than a jackrabbit. Yeah, after that, I had to get the haircut at the barb.
Yes.
Barber, cactus, you know what I mean? Same thing basically.
Not at all.
Anyways, yeah.
Barber's the name.
Harbor? Harbor Freight, yeah. Wow! Better shut up! Gee, got a gun or something? Alright, anyways, I had to drop off the vehicle, which is all like pieced out now. Biked home, get Subway, which my first meal of the day was 5 o'clock. Got that taken care of. Then I biked this guy's accordion. What is it? What is it? What is it? Ancestral Ties to the Roanoke.
I thought it was Paul Bunyan, bro.
Oh, Jordan Dingleman. Accordion?